Hold up a straw, that's 750,000 gallons of water per second, trying to fit into the same tube you use for milkshakes. Sounds impossible, right? But what would actually happen if we tried? Would it create infinite energy? A giant geyser? A black hole? Or the world's dumbest superweapon? Stick around, because what you're about to hear is stranger and funnier than anything you've ever imagined. And by the end, you'll never look at a straw the same way again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because trust me, you're going to want to see how this ends. Stats: 750,000 gallons per second. Comparisons: 21 blue whales of water per second, 100,000 Olympic swimming pools per day. If you bottled it into 16 ounces water bottles, you'd fill the Empire State Building in 4 minutes. PL. It's Kren, your straw versus Niagara Falls. Left, tiny sip. 1 second of Niagara Falls equals 28 million years. By then, the continents would have drifted, humanity gone, and raccoons ruling the earth. Caveman sipping through straw. Almost done, guys. The pressure required to funnel the falls through a straw would vaporize it instantly. If it somehow worked, the exit jet equals Mach 9 water stream. That's 9 times the speed of sound, faster than a sniper bullet. Essentially a hydraulic lightsaber cutaway gag. Water jet slices through a car. Caption: "Oops, all soup." Aimed at Buffalo, goodbye Buffalo, aimed at the sky. Punches hole into space, aimed at the moon. Congratulations, you just invented the first DIY crater maker. Scale straw to 170 feet wide, becomes water slide of doom. Inside suction equals vacuuming entire forests. Noise equals loudest slurp in the universe. Astronauts aboard ISS, Earth sound like it's drinking a milkshake. Earth slurping sound effect. Caption: hydration, 100%. You become richer than every billionaire combined. Rename the planet Strawbucks. Sell Niagara Falls water as bottled brand, $9 million per second. $284 trillion year. You become richer than every billionaire combined. Rename the planet Strawbucks. Poor intern holding straw gives launched into orbit. NASA, new satellite acquired. Elon Musk tweets, working on reusable intern recovery system. Meanwhile, Capri Sun kids nod wisely. We warned you, what if straws were indestructible? Humanity weaponizes them into ultimate defense cannons. What if gravity flipped? The water jet now loops around Earth like a liquid railgun. What if the straw went straight through Earth's core? Instant reverse volcano. Earth with giant silly straw sticking out both ends, sipping from itself. So here's the final verdict. If you funneled Niagara Falls through a straw, you wouldn't get a refreshing sip. You'd get a Mach 9 death laser. A soup cannon pointed at the moon. Possibly the dumbest apocalyptic weapon in human history. The truth is, Niagara Falls would not enter the straw. If you funneled Niagara Falls through a straw, you wouldn't get a refreshing sip of water. You'd get a Mach 9 death laser slicing holes through cities, boiling itself into soup, and possibly carving a new crater on the moon. In other words, the straw would go into Niagara Falls, and so would you. So the next time you're sipping a Capri Sun, remember that harmless straw in your hand is technically a doomsday device, just waiting for the wrong waterfall. If you enjoyed this What If chaos, drop your wildest question in the comments. Who knows? Your idea might be the next legendary episode. And you don't forget to share this with that one friend who thinks they can drink a whole milkshake in one gulp. Let's see if they can handle Niagara Falls.